What's up, folks? The Sportsbook Killa. UFC Fight Night. We got the women's bantamweight division. Tamires Vidal going up against Melissa Gato. I looked at both of their fights. I looked at all their previous fights. I see nothing that says bet on either one of them. My money will be riding on this fight lasting a very long, boring time. So I'm gonna take the over 1.5 round prop and over 2.5 round prop. Melissa Gato likes to box and back up. Vidal likes to do, I don't even know what you call that, but I can't bet on it. I'm going to go with over 1.5 round prop, over 2.5 round prop, and I might sprinkle a little something on the fight going the distance. Good luck this Saturday, folks.